As we all know that how important education is in our life, and we always look for quality education. For the very first time in Arunachal Pradesh, we have a career point quota, and right now we have a chief mentor of career point quota, Shri Nitin sir. So let's have a talk with him to know more about the career point.
See, Career Point Quota is a national brand which is a listed company also since 2020, and it was established under the visionary leadership of Mr. Pramod Maheshwari, who himself is a BTech IITian from IIT Delhi. Now, as far as Career Point is concerned, it is the most leading brand in India, and what we are observing that in Northeast there is no reputed national level brand who is working for the training of the students. So the number of the students who are getting success in the exams like JEE and NEET is very less from this Northeast region. So we have extended, and now we are working at Itanagar also, so that the more and more number of students, they can train themselves right here at Itanagar. No need to come to Kota, and just prepare with the help of Career Point system here at Itanagar itself and get success in various examinations like NEET and JEE.
NEET and JEE. So sir, when this course gonna start?
See, as far as the beginning of course is concerned, in this today's session also we have announced the two courses, Pathfinder course for NEET and Pathfinder course for JEE Main. So NEET course is going to be for the duration of 6 months, and JEE course is going to be a duration of, if we start in the month of November, 2 months, because in the month of January they are supposed to give their first attempt of January attempt. So we will be completing the course of JEE in 2 months. See, as a student it is most important to learn the school as well as to train himself or herself for the success in the competitive examinations which are he is supposed to face in the future. Now point is important is what? We have a limited time. In case of a school, we should participate in the co-curricular activities, I should part in the sports activity, but at the same time I should do my homework also. A lot of time is required. So this integrated program is what? The Career Point has designed a special program for the school students, where within the school campus they can develop themselves and they can train themselves for this competitive examination. So now what is happening? No need to go to two different places. In the same campus of the school, you can prepare for examinations like NEET, examinations like JEE. So this give you the free time which is available for the self-studies as well as the other co-curricular activities.
What is the right approach? What is the source of commitment? What is the most important resource? And above all, personality and mindset. What should be my personality? What should be my mindset? So we will try to give the answer of these questions for competitive examinations. So here the answers will try to explain you how we can make the journey, like you can see from 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, 11th and 12th. So try to find out 8th, 9th, 10th, this is pre-foundation division, technical term we use, pre-foundation division. And then 11th, 12th you can see NEET oblique JEE. Now this is clear cut. Okay, I am going in the NEET direction, I am going in the JEE direction. But it is important to note, maybe in some students' case, from the 9th class onwards, okay, I want to become a doctor. So actually here, in this 10th, 9th portion also, one more program is hidden. That also we can think about at our school. 4-year NEET program, 4-year JEE program. See, academics is having so many probabilities. We have discussed a lot of things with sir, what is the requirement here at Itanagar. Accordingly, we have designed these things. So in this program also, one more program is there. We can try to find out the student 4-year NEET program, 4-year JEE program. So if you check the opinion of the toppers today, they will tell you, I was working on this examination since 4 years. Since 8th class I was working. So here we have given a generalized term, 8, 9, 10 pre-foundation. But in this also we can be very specific. 4-year NEET program, 4-year JEE program. We can have a separate section in our school. Okay, since 9 onwards I am focusing only on NEET. I am focusing only on JEE like things. That can be a great deal also. Fantastic achievements we can have, because students are going to stay with us for 4 years. And if for 4 years they are training themselves for a particular target, definitely they will be achieved. So that is a very important thing. Now what are the 6.5 mantras of success? So we will try to find out. So if I ask you, because this was created assuming the students will be there, so the language is like that. So what do you want to be? So please assume that you are the students, so we will be better connected. Now what do you want to be? You can go in the direction of civil, you can go in the direction of finance, you can go in the direction of Civil refers to the civil services, not civil engineering. And you can think about engineering direction, you can think about medical directions. But actually we want to be successful. Not all IITians are successful persons and vice versa. Not all successful persons are IITians. That is very important point to understand. I honestly explained in brief the story of my own as a parent. And believe me, I love to speak truth. And what is truth for me? Which has happened with me, which I am following. I am not following any book. I am following the book of life. So I love to share the truth only. So this is very important to understand that we actually want to be a successful person in our life. I have seen so many doctors who are approaching us, sir, give me the job. So many IITians, sir, give me the job. And I have seen, I know so many people. One of my batchmate of Navodaya, he even did not prepare for IIT at the time. IIT was also there. And he has settled at Czechoslovakia. Without any relations, without any godfather, no person he knows at Czechoslovakia. And he is having his own IT company there. See, so many people I personally know, not from the motivation point of view. I observe these things in my life. And I find that it is very important that we got to be very successful. Why? When I was thinking about my career options, believe me, since I was in Navodaya, so I was having a widespread nature of my personality. I could play, I could dance, I could sing, I could write. I was a very good debater, speaker. In my college life, I was almost a very good student leader, social activist. Then I thought so many things about it. Then I finally concluded what I love most. So what I love most? To observe and to help if someone seeks the help. Not from my side I go, okay, you should do this. This is not my point of attraction. But if someone asks me and if he or she shares his situation with me, I feel it's sort of God gift with me. I can help him out for a greater extent. So I thought, which profession is like that? Okay, teaching is like that. That's why I came in this teaching profession. I did not came into this industry because of the unemployment like problem. Because, like I said in this session also, I can continuously speak about your academic issues at least for 10 to 12 hours without drinking water. Why? Because I love to do so. Again, that motivation comes from inside. So that thing is making me, I have a biology background, that's why I am not a successful person. So this is what a parent should learn, this is what a teacher should learn, and we should try to guide our students for the same direction. What you want to be, okay, you are not using the word successful, but actually you are willing to be a successful person. Okay, I want success in my life. So let us move ahead. What is success? Respect in society, money, fame, security, satisfaction, happiness and joy. You know very well. I have one important observation of my life. My relatives are staying at Ahmedabad and they have their own, pharmacies there. So when my brother's daughter, she was supposed to join the school, one good society there, CU Shah Society. So in that society there is a school there. So my brother and his friends, they went to the society and they purchased the admission forms. 1999 I think it was, 1993. The cost of that form at that time, the form cost only, you can apply by filling that form in thousands at that time. So I asked my brother, because in our Rajasthan side, if you have this much of money spent in something, we find, okay, this task is done now. So when brother returned to home, I asked him, in Gujarati we ask bhai only, we say bhai only. Bhai, apna kaam ho gaya? The name of that niece is Jeannie. Jeannie ka admission ho gaya? He said no. मैंने बोला भाई इतना सारा आपने पैसा, उनके जो his childhood friends were also in the, because they are same age group, so having kids of the same age, and I know all the friends. So I told him in a funny way, you give this money to me, I will run a school, this much of amount it is, and we will establish our own school. This, you give this money to me, this much of money you are paying just for purchasing the form only. So I asked a question, but obvious, why? After this much spending, thousands of money are spending for the form, still the school is saying one interview will be there, one exam of the student will be there, parents interview will be there. Then and then we will decide. So by default, anybody will ask why this process is required. The answer of my brother was, see, he said, money is available with the mafia list, isn't it? So anybody who is having some wrong, illegal sources of earning, but they have money. So what is 50,000 for me is nothing for him. So he can also purchase a form for his daughter or son, and easily they can enter into the society. Society wants to avoid it. That's why they are going to ask, they are going to take interview of student, they are going to take interview of parent. Even the parent's profile was asked to submit. So this came to know, I came to know this in 1999. So that is what society, respect in society. You cannot think about money only, because there are so many people who are having a lot of money with them. We do not respect them, isn't it? So success is something different. We need respect. Above all, we need respect in society. First requirement of any successful human is not money. Respect in society. And of course, money is a source of arranging the livelihoods and so many things. So money is also required. We need fame. We wish people should know me. If you have left your hometown, after a certain time you would love to go to your hometown. अपना बचपन के मोहल्ले में जाना पसंद करेंगे आप. Why? You know why? Because everybody will love them. Hey, वो आ गया, कैसा है, कहाँ रहते हो, क्या करते हो, क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में, पापा कैसे? This is what? Fame. But the place where we are staying today, nobody knows us. When we are entering our home, nobody is bothering about me. So we human being is a social animal. So we want to be famous. We need a sort of security. So satisfaction and happiness and joy. So major components of success are these things. So I was visiting from Dibrugarh to this Itanagar yesterday. It is my first day. So I have one taxi booked and my driver and all. So he said, sir, sorry, at Delhi airport. So my taxi driver asked me, sir, when we stayed at one place, sir, if you have something precious, please take that trolley bag outside of the taxi and keep it with you. I said, I am a teacher. I have nothing to lose. And what I have cannot be lost. I cannot lose it. What experience as a teacher I have gained, if I wish, I cannot lose it very easily. मुझे उसके लिए बहुत meditation करना पड़ेगा. And what items I have in my bag? Nothing. Few clothes are there. And I did not purchase that lock. My landlord, when I was outside Kota, I was in a rented property, so my landlord asked, "आप अपना ताला लगा के जाइए." I said, "I don't have lock." She said, "What?" "Yes, I don't have lock." So I purchased my first lock, I think in 2013. I'm a teacher. What? Or if someone takes the books with him, उसका problem है फिर. मेरा problem कम हो गया. पढ़, सीख, and spread the knowledge in the society. So this is what the success. So how we can move ahead in this journey? Core point. Sir, we are planning to start this NEET program, IIT program here at Itanagar. Most of the parents, students, teachers, everybody here. So what difficult होता है? The people will say like this, Anshul sir, you are going to teach in very depth, sir. They will ask this type of words. All over India there is. आप लोग बहुत deep पढ़ाते हैं. I am a biology teacher. I used to teach in my class. Students, at that time, AIMS examination is different, FMS is different, All India CBSE is different, State PMT is different, like that different. Now today's NEET. So I used to tell my students in the class, I will take a plant with me, keep in the class, first bench. So this is the lowest leaf, low category leaf. It is doing photosynthesis for BSc nursing only. This is upper level leaf. This is doing photosynthesis for MBBS of state only. This is upper level leaf. Uppermost leaf, that leaf is running photosynthesis for AIMS only. Is that so? Students will say, no sir. Then I said, why you are confused? Why your parents are confused? Logic is logic. Logic is not up to the level of examination. Logic is logic. Illogical thing is illogical thing. Logical thing is logical thing. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Whether you are preparing for PhD level, you are preparing for IS level, whether you are in 12th class or you are in 2nd standard. then what is the difference? The difference of what you are supposed to learn in that class is different. It is something like that. We have a whole in our Navodaya life. After a certain time, we were allowed to watch Ramayana, Mahabharata, and a movie. I think in a week, because everything happens in the house-wise circulation. So in a month, we were allowed to watch movie. So VCR, cassettes, TV, gallery of principal, cabin. There is gallery in the building. 2 teachers, house wardens, and the students. Now we are ready. Okay. Oh, teachers don't. Because we were allowed only once in a month to meet our parents last Sunday. One episode of Mahabharata. This was life of my friends. And when it started about movies, wow, we can watch a movie. Now we are in the age of 11th and 12th, and we are watching the movies of Sanjeev Kumar. Because our teachers, they are taking the movie cassettes. It is permitted. Even the music beat is, you can say, sort of thrilling. Immediately teacher will stand up, stop, change the movie. This is what happened with us. Just nothing, there is no video, only audio, just beating, just a good beat. I love to dance. So that type of beat is coming, the teacher will stand up, turn off, and he will ask the subordinate, change the movie. Like this is what we have watched the movies in our hospital life. Why I am saying these things? See, this is very important in scientific thing. There is a whole story from A to Z, but according to the observer, according to the viewer, according to the listener, a particular part of the story only will be allowed to him. I cannot allow one particular movie to my son to watch today. He can watch that movie once he is 25 plus. But today I will not allow. Same happens in the case of academics also. Laws of Newton are laws of Newton. Usme koi change nahi, there is no change in that. But what you should learn from that in class 7, that much only is told to you, that much only is expected from you. And any topic. Completed. This is the only thing what I have learned in the journey of 21 years of my career. This is the only required. The only thing is that in case of competition, what happens? In school and competition, what is the basic difference? I'll do this in detail in school also. This portion, I love this portion to be discussed with school going students. I'll ask there and you'll see. Who is a student? Who goes to a school? Sir, student. Define student. Then student will say, one who wants to learn, one who wants to do this, one who wants to, like so many positive things there. I'll give answer. No. The student is someone who do not want to do anything. And I'll prove it. Because आपके पेरेंट्स को सुबह हिलाना पड़ता है, उठो, जाओ, स्कूल जाना है, धक्का मारते हैं. You are not going to school. Parents are sending you to school. You are not learning. You are mad to learn. Why? Because that age is like that. That body is ready to do. There is one example of Parle Ji also. If you have watched that, कभी ये बनना चाहते हैं, कभी वो बनना. Suppose I have one very great example. I think in our school cultural activities running. Someday we had a very great program on Mother Teresa. Fantastic program. So after that program, 15 days, all the girls of the school, they want to become Mother Teresa. No joke. Then after a few days, we have a very great program on 26th of January or 15th of August. Fantastic speech on Bhagat Singh. Now 50% students, boys, they want to become Bhagat Singh. Even I wanted to. When I listened a speech on Bhagat Singh in Navodaya life, I told my friends, अरे भगत सिंह गुलामी में पैदा हो गए, उन्हें टम फोड़ा तो क्या किया? मैं होता तो उनसे बड़े कांड कर देता देश के लिए. This was my opinion, and this is true. This is what a student is, because that's why great school is what will provide a facility of horse riding, swimming, dancing, all the aspects possible for a child that should be available in that campus is a great school. So when I say student is someone who don't want to become someone, means what? Who wants to become everything. आज मुझे ये बनना है, कल मुझे बनना है, परसों and there is an ad also. The same thing, and that's true. But who is an aspirant? One who goes to coaching is an aspirant. The motivation is coming from inside. When I was in Pune, I worked at Pune also. There was one hoarding of our competitors. It was not our advertisement. One mother is there. One girl kid is there, she is holding the finger of mother like that. This pose was like that. And that one word was mentioned in the Marathi. I will translate in English. The Marathi word was, that line was, I malapan doctor Vaisai. Mother, I too want to become a doctor. I want to become. The girl is saying to mother, I want to become a doctor. Mother is not saying to you, it is not the dialogue is not, hey, you should become a doctor. This is not the direction. The baby girl is holding the mother's hand and she is saying like, mother, I want to become. That is an aspirant. Mujhe banna hai. And I will run for it. I will do everything for that. Is an aspirant. So we need to explain the two things to our students. As a parent, we need to learn. As a parent, as a teacher, we need to explain these things to our children, words, or the students. Because actually what will happen, suppose I am a student of class 9th in your school. Now I have two roles. Double role wali zindagi hoti hai actually. I am a student as well as I am an aspirant. So we need to maintain that balance. So we need to learn how to switch among these things. So this is what here. So competitive exams not difficult. They are different. How they are different? In school, when I am writing things on the board as a teacher, you are noting only. After that, bye bye tata, see you. When I will recall, when the test date is announced, I will check my books. Oh, notes hai ki nahi? I will call the friend. Hello, tere paas uske notes hai kya chapter ke? I am asking about the notes, not the concept. But in case of competition, same class, 9th class, same teacher, same topic, but I am focusing on concepts. Because that person who is teaching there is explaining the concept, how the concept will be applied. So from notes, in case of student, the shift is towards the concept. In case of aspirant, boy sitting is same. His name is Nitin. Nitin is having 12 roles. Nitin is having 12 roles. Student as well as aspirant. This is point number 1. Point number 2, in school. Okay, I learned this way. Then they will take my examination. So how you will announce the timetable of the examination? One day, one subject. In case of competition, one day, all subjects. Bandwidth is changed. In case of school, I will be facing one subject in a day. In case of competition, I will be facing all subjects in a day. If it is a duration of 3 hours, 3 hours I am thinking about science only, 3 hours I am thinking about maths only. In case of examination, I have to think about physics, chemistry, mathematics, or biology, all together in 3 hours. So you just check the bandwidth of the mind required. How to deal with this situation is the point number 2. Point number 3. When I have the paper, I am solving the paper. In case of school, I will just recall what I have mugged up. I will just write it down. That's why so many times, if teachers are here, please correct me. So many times the students will say, मैंने तो उसका पूरा आंसर लिखा था, पूरी कॉपी भर दी थी, नंबर नहीं आया. I have written the 4 lines that, but they did not give me marks. Why? Because the thought process was not involved in it.